What's new with you? At the Brown House, we have a couple new things, and I'll move around here. And we've already featured the woodshed built by one of my sons, and it has a companion, a privacy fence around this little backyard, which we hope to do some perennial landscaping. So let's walk down. We have a good stretch of road here. The neighbors are all very nice people, but we still like to have more privacy in the winter when it's all the plants have their leaves off, most of them. And in the summer it greens up quite a bit, thickens, and we have pretty good privacy. But in the winter, it's like, everything in the backyard here, our little yard, is under friendly scrutiny, curiosity. So we've got this fence to block it in somewhat. There's plenty of room to walk by and drive a mower. I've got 6x6s in here and 4x4s. 6x6s stiffen it considerably. 4x4s are about a third the cost. And there's a crow overhead. Got a lot of resident crows. They always seem to be very busy and talkative, like they've got important business. Always got important business. And on some of the 4x4s, I'll be putting some Eastern red cedar bluebird houses, particularly the Carolina bluebird. We have a lot of those here. You'll see them hunting throughout the summer, catching bugs. So we thought we'd put a couple nesting boxes up here. They're Amish made. I just ordered them, so I don't have them yet. And then we'll cap the 6x6s with some tile weighted down by rocks or bricks. I've got those in our garden. And then you see we've stained the sideboards of the woodshed. It's called chocolate brown. It's the same siding we have on a good part of the Brown House. We also have chocolate therapy stain on some of the structural elements like posts, and we'll be staining the fence that same color, the chocolate stain. So looking forward to that. So that's what's new with us. Tell me what's new with you.